What would you do if the air itself seemed to whisper secrets only you could hear? In the quaint town of Taos, the mysterious hum pervades like an invisible fog, but only a select few are haunted by its sound. Enter Dr. Alice Monroe, a brilliant acoustic scientist who embarks on a journey to decode this elusive enigma. Armed with sensitive equipment and boundless curiosity, Alice listens where others could not, but the hum proves as elusive as a phantom. Meanwhile, locals are torn between superstition and science, imagining everything from government conspiracies to alien interventions. Yet, the hum's origin remains maddeningly elusive, echoing into the realm of urban legend. Alice, standing amidst the vast New Mexico desert, vows to uncover its truth. Will science finally unmask this auditory ghost? Or will the Taos hum remain one of our deepest unsolved mysteries? Only time will tell.